Hey guys, welcome back to another Car update. So with the update today, the car is getting moved Thursday. I'll show you what I've done to it so far. So I put new drive belt from the last video. I put new drive belt. I haven't done the rocket cover gaskets yet. I've pod filtered it and the airbox and that. I'm customizing all the airbox and all that stuff. And I'm putting, because I put a new radiator in it, as you can see, new radiator in there. What else? Oh, because I've taken the lines off the radiator, I need to get new fucking trans line coolant. And yeah, so the whole HSV body kit club sport thing, that's still happening. It's just going to take a little bit longer because I've got to go to the look around at wreckers and stuff to see if I can find one. But yeah, I put a new exhaust on. I'll insert a clip probably now. You've seen the clip, but yeah, it's basically the same. All I've done is put the air filter on, the drive belt. The battery went flat probably a month ago, so I had to charge that. New radiator. I did sort of clean the lights up, but they've just faded again, so I don't really know. So yeah, there'll probably be more videos coming. I need to do the front windscreen. And this is the interior now. I'll put the both stereos there because I got two, and I just don't want them rattling around while it's getting on the trailer. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm putting all leather interior in it. That's just speaker wire, but yeah. Got a little gauge there. But yeah, that's about it. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Sorry it's not like a very long video, but nothing really that much to talk about. But yeah, it's getting moved down to Musselbrook to get the build finished off. And then yeah, so make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Peace.
Raindrop, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. You fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.